number 3, we're trying to find the intersection point of these two lines. Unlike number 1, y is not solved for, so we need to isolate y so that we can type it into our calculator. So we do have some work to do first. So this is going to be a negative y is equal to negative 4x plus 9. And then if I divide both sides by negative 1, this will be 4x minus 9. The second equation, that's going to be negative 3y is equal to negative x plus 16. And then if I divide everything by that negative 3, then y is going to be equal to, well, it's going to be a negative 1 over negative 3x plus 16 over negative 3. And then if I reduce those negatives, it's positive 1/3 x minus 16 over 3. So I typed this into the calculator before, and I'm just kind of talking over it now. If you type those into the y equals key, the y equals key is right there, then those will be our two equations. And then if you go to, it should already be under Zoom standard, so you don't need to press that again. So if you just press graph, then you should get this graph. And then we want to find the intersection point. So you need to use the calc menu or the second calc menu, second trace, and that will get you to a lot of different commands. You want to choose the intersection command. And if you press enter, here is where you just have to press enter 3 times. So it's asking you to declare what your first line is, and you can press enter. It's asking you to declare your second line. You don't need to really think about it. You can just press enter. The guess, you don't need to worry about the guess. You can just press enter. And now this is your intersection point. So 1, negative 5. If I go back to my problem, 1, negative 5 is going to be my intersection point. And your other lines, they don't need to be very accurate. That's okay, as long as the intersection point is, that one totally missed the mark. That's a little bit better. As long as it's somewhat accurate with the lines, that's all I care about. The intersection point is the one that just needs to be accurate. So that's at 1, negative 5 for your final answer.